If you are thinking about getting the Infinity processing system, you will be happy to know that it just got better. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you haven't heard of Infinity processing system, it is an affiliate marketing system that teaches people how to start earning commissions online by strictly using their social media. All right. So IPS, I'll call it that. IPS has been around for a couple years now. I am a member and I love this system. All right. I highly recommend it for new affiliate marketers or affiliate marketers who have been struggling in the past before. Why do I say that? Well, because it is a complete training system. All right. So if you are, like I said, completely new to the game, you're not too familiar with affiliate marketing, it teaches you what you need to know to actually start earning commissions. So there are primarily two ways to make money with Infinity processing system. The first way is to actually study the information inside of the system, inside of the training, and actually use it in whatever it is that you're promoting online. Whatever it is, you can use the information inside of it to help you start generating cash. But the second way, and to be honest with you, is the most popular way and common way that people use Infinity processing system to make money, is by actually promoting the system itself. When it comes to earning money with IPS, they allow you to earn 100% commissions for every system that you sell. There's a $50 package, there's a $150 package, there's a $300 package, and they actually just put together a $600 package. Okay, now, so for whatever package you decide to come in on, that's the commissions that you can earn. So say for example, you come in at the $50 level, which is the starter. All right, so you get some good training with that. Now you go out and you promote IPS system, you will only be able to earn $50 commissions. And some people like that because, you know, $50 commissions is pretty good. All right. But say you decide to come in at the $300 level, which is the pro, this will allow you, you know, to earn $50 commissions for people that want that package, $150 commissions for people that want that. Or if someone wants the $300 package like you will earn $300 commissions or whatever level commissions you want. And that actually goes as well as the $600 level, right? So a lot of people, you know, they get IPS and they're like, you know, they want the commissions, right? They want the $150 commission, $300 commission, $600 and so on, right? But here's the thing. A lot of people jump into the opportunity to start selling the IPS program, but they didn't even go through the training, right? That's inside of the system that teaches them how to earn money, all right? So for those who actually decide that, hey, I want to promote this program, you know, you do get a sales page, right? A landing page for people to see whenever you're trying to share this opportunity. So recently, the creator of IPS decided to do an update on the sales page that everybody gets, no matter what level you're at, right? You get the chance to get this new sales page, and the new sales page is dope. All right, it is very, very appealing, and it can drastically increase your sales as an IPS affiliate. So if you're somebody who wants to really start earning commissions by promoting IPS, you can feel really good about sending people to your sales page, because when you see it for yourself, you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about, right? They got a new presentation video on that page. Now, what really stands out as you scroll down the page is the real testimonials. And these are real testimonials because I know some of the people in the testimonial videos. I've actually talked to them and interacted with some of these people. So these are real testimonials and they are very compelling, right? And then when you keep on looking at the sales page, they show you the earning potential that being an IPS affiliate has. And it's very motivating when you see how much money you can make with this system. And another thing that the creator recently did that you wouldn't know if you wasn't a member of IPS, but I know, right? But she actually updated a lot of the training inside of the system, right? So where certain things were kind of maybe out of date or whatever, she went in and added new training to IPS, which once again makes it a lot better, because now when people join, they're going to be getting even more value than what they were getting before. So without a doubt, if you are somebody who was looking for a system, looking for something to promote, looking for a way to start learning affiliate marketing, you definitely want to check out IPS. And to be honest with you, even coming in at just the $50 level can be very, very beneficial to you, because A, you get good training even at the $50 level, and B, you can start earning instant $50 commissions, right? 50 bucks ain't no joke. So you heard me talking about the brand new sales page and how appealing it is. Well, you could check it out for yourself right now. First link in the description. Check it out, and I will see you on the other side.